Hey guys, see, I don't just talk about it, I be about it. I'm out here at a garden, as you can see. You feel me? It's good for the soul. It's good for your spirit. It's good to bring you back. Mother Nature, get out there. Get some sun on your skin. I don't care what you're looking like. Look at me. I'm out here in jogging pants and a black tee with some pink socks on. Who cares? Yeah. Hold on. Hold on, let me fix it. Nah, but for real. At the end of the day, just listen. Just listen. Look at this pink tree right here. It's beautiful. Hold on, let me show y'all. See that pink tree? The beauty in Mother Nature. And it's not no coincidence that they don't call it Father Nature. They call it Mother Nature. So it's no coincidence. I'm going to ask y'all this question, though. How y'all feel? You know, because everybody got their own opinions on how they feel. If God is a man or a woman or both. Or nothing. And that's okay. If we was all the same, we would think the same. We meant to think different. But what y'all think? Comment below the video. And I'll see y'all. Y'all get out, get some sun, listen to the birds. And let's just have a moment of silence for those moms who crossed over. And if you lost a mom, my condolences. But just know they are going to be around you in spirit on that special day. So yeah, when this raggedy truck ride past, let's get a moment of silence for the mothers who passed away. I'm just going to focus on the pink tree again. Listen to the birds. Okay, guys, that was a moment. And remember, moments are to be cherished, not played with, not taken advantage of, not disregarded, but cherished. Remember, because when it's all said and done, that's all we have is moments. Until the next one, y'all. Peace and love.